Hello everybody, it is Cassie Emma, and today I am going to talk about how to get started with GoGuardian. So when you're logging into GoGuardian, we're going to go to GoGuardian.com. The tech team, so your instructional technology coaches, are responsible for setting up your GoGuardian account. So when you go to GoGuardian, all you have to do is click the blue sign in button, and then it's going to ask you to sign in with Google. We're going to go ahead and log in with Google, and you'll just use your Confluence Academy's account to log in, and then you should have access. If you don't, contact your instructional technology coach. For Old North, that is me. When you first log into GoGuardian for the first time, your screen is going to be completely blank. All of these class tile cards will not be there. I have all of these class tile cards because I've created a lot of classes over the past couple of years. So we're going to first talk about how to create your own classrooms in GoGuardian. There are two ways to do this. The first way I'm going to show you is the easiest way and the most recommended way. We're going to simply import our Google Classroom. On the right hand side, you'll see that cute little G symbol and then see the words Import Google Classroom. We're going to click this. This will make your life so much easier than if you created a classroom. The reason is it's easier to add students, it's easier to sync with Google Classroom again. It ties it all together. It's easy to share assignments. It's just amazing, and we're going to talk about all of that. So I want to share Aspire Elam, and I'm going to click Import Classroom. And it will take me immediately to this screen, and it will show me the names of all of the students who have officially been imported into my classroom. So all of these kids, I will be able to see their screens. That is the first way to create your GoGuardian classroom. The second way to create a GoGuardian classroom takes a little bit more time and a little bit more work. We're going to click the green Add Classroom button. You will be able to select your classroom name here. So Mrs. Emma's Stars. You'll be able to select your subject. I am an English teacher, and then you'll be able to set your description if you want to, add a default scene, and make it any tile color. I'll go with red. Then you simply click Add Classroom. The next thing it's going to ask you is how you want to enroll your students, and there are a few ways. This one involves uploading a CSV with student email addresses. What it means by CSV is basically a spreadsheet. So you can create a spreadsheet in Google Sheets, and then you can save that as a CSV file and upload it here. You can also add individual emails to build your classes. Remember that when you are adding your individual emails, that your students' emails will be their first name, their last name, at confluencestudents.org. And then finally, you also have the enroll code. You can send your students to this URL and have them input this code to get into your GoGuardian. So if that is something you prefer, you can pop this guy on Google Classroom, you can pop this guy on the front of your screen, and then have them enter this enroll code just like they would if they were joining your Google Classroom class. So yeah, those are the ways to add your students. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you will join me for the rest of these training videos. Have a wonderful day. Bye!